everybody, it's me, Blue. So how has your summer been going? Leave comments below because reading your comments is super fun and I like reading your comments. And if you care what I'll be doing this summer, I'll be going to Mexico. I won't be here next week, but if you want to see pictures, follow me on Instagram. And if you don't care, don't follow me. Anyway, I need vacation because I'm going on a tropical vacation. And today, I'm going to show you how to make 3 different types of vacation hair. Let's get started. First, you'll need string, feathers. You'll need chalk, coconut oil, a mixing spoon, something to mix it in, and something to cut it with. The knife kind of just sounded scary. You'll also need scissors. Section your hair with rubber bands like this. So we're going to start with the hair tint. Choose a color of chalk and mash it up. Now just mix in a little bit of coconut oil. Now add your dye to your hair. I'm going to do a twist. Next we're going to do a string wrap. Got it. Next we're going to do a string wrap. So you can either twist your hair or braid it, then tie your 2 strings to the top of your hair. Get your 2 colors and wrap them tightly around your twist. Now wrap it back up. Now tie it back up at the top. Now we're going to work on the final twist. So get 2 different colors of feathers and tie them onto 1 string. If you are like me and you have these really big clunky feathers and you don't want really big feathers on your hair, then you could trim them. Put your hair in a twist and tie the feather to the top. Now wrap those around your twist and tie it at the bottom. Now grab a delicious summer treat and let your hair blow in the wind. And that's it. If you like having beautiful vacation hair, then don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends. Don't forget to shine on. Bye.